Hello, little explorers, and welcome back to Pico Sparks Virtual Science class. Today, we're asking a supersized question. Why do giraffes have such long necks? Ready to find out? Let's go! Imagine having a neck so long you could reach snacks right out of the sky. That's basically a giraffe's life. Their super long necks are like a secret superpower for survival on the African savanna. So, why are they so long? Reason number one is all about food. Giraffes absolutely love to munch on the leaves of tall acacia trees. These leaves are way up high, where other animals can't reach. For a giraffe, a long neck is like having a personal ladder to the best snacks in town. It turns the treetops into a giant all-you-can-eat buffet. Reason number two is safety first. Being so tall gives giraffes an amazing view. From way up there, they can scan the horizon and spot predators, like sneaky lions, from a long way off. It's like being a lookout in a tall tower, always keeping an eye out for danger. They can see trouble coming before it even gets close. And here's a wild one-orizon. Number 3 is neck battles. Yes, you heard that right. Male giraffes sometimes swing their powerful necks at each other to show who is the strongest and to win the attention of female giraffes. It's like their own version of Kung Fu, a real-life game of living wrecking balls. Wop! Bap! It's a pretty intense way to settle an argument. Now, for a mind-blowing fact. You might think giraffes have tons and tons of bones in their long necks, right? Wrong. They have the exact same number of neck bones as we do, just 7. The difference is that a giraffe's neck bones, or vertebrae, are absolutely huge. Each one can be over 10 inches long. It's incredible how they use just 7 giant bones to support that amazing neck. Let's try a little thought experiment to see how useful that long neck is. Imagine you're at a playground, and there's a big tree with delicious apples hanging from a high branch. You try to reach them, but they're too high. You jump, but still can't get them. Your friend tries, but they can't reach either. Then, a giraffe casually walks by, stretches its long neck, and nomu nomu nomu, itto ijiri prax, an apple from the branch. No ladder, no problem. Want to try a fun activity at home? Let's play the Build a Giraffe neck game! All you need are some empty paper towel or toilet paper tubes, some tape, and a marker. First, tape a paper leaf up high on a wall. Now, start with just one tube. Can your short-necked giraffe reach the leaf? Probably not. Keep adding more tubes with tape, making the neck longer and longer. Count how many tubes it takes for your giraffe to finally reach its leafy snack. It's a great way to see just how important that length is. And here's another fun fact from me. Pico Sparks! Did you know a giraffe's kick is so powerful it can seriously injure or even scare away a lion? They might look gentle, but you don't want to mess with their mighty legs. Even the king of the jungle knows to keep a safe distance. Now, for our kids' question of the day. A lot of you have wondered, do giraffes get dizzy because they're so tall? That's a brilliant question. When a giraffe bends all the way down to drink water and then quickly lifts its head back up, you'd think all that blood would rush to its head and make it dizzy. But no. Giraffes have a special system of valves and a net of tiny blood vessels in their necks that control blood flow to the brain. This amazing natural design keeps their blood pressure stable and prevents them from getting dizzy. How cool is that? Well, that's all the time we have for today's adventure into the world of giraffes. I hope you had as much fun as I did. A huge thank you to Battle Animation for bringing our lessons to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time for another exciting science class. Bye.